I thought I knew my children, until a plumber found something that changed everything. During a bathroom remodel, he came upstairs, pale as a ghost. "Mrs. Walsh, pack a bag and leave. Don't tell your kids." I'd lived 30 years in the same Medford home, the same basement where I did laundry every week. Behind that familiar concrete wall, a secret I never imagined. Michael and Sarah weren't who I thought I'd raised. The loving son, the caring daughter. They knew things about my life I'd never told them. Sometimes the people you trust most are the ones you should fear. This is Eleanor's story. Family secrets deeper than any basement hand. The moment a mother realized she was living with strangers. Tap the link in the description to see what happened.